Hi, this is Ralph Wilson with Web Marketing Today. I'm in Las Vegas at the PubCon conference with Aaron Wall, an expert in search of all kinds, and we're going to be talking today about getting links to your site. The more links you have that are quality links, the higher your page rank, your ranking in the search engines get. So what are some ways that people can get links to their site without having to pay for those links?
Okay, so there's a lot of different ways. One is if they sell products, they can offer like a discount or a coupon to a select group, and some of those people might be willing to link to your site to mention it to their members, like for nonprofit organizations and industry professionals.
Yeah, so some kind of a free giveaway that you have a coupon that they might link to. Okay.
With blogs, it's the nice thing about blogs is they help you build links over time, because as you build your blog archive up, you build a lot of readers who are interested in your subject. So whenever you launch something that's interesting, they tend to be conversational in nature, and you have a lot of people reading it, so a few of them might want to cite stuff. Anytime you write anything original and useful that your audience would like, you have a much better chance of getting links to it than, say, if you just put up a static page that was hard for people to see.
Now, this blog ought to be on your website, your domain name, so that those links will count towards your domain link popularity.
Absolutely. A lot of people mess up and put it on like Blogspot or WordPress.com, and they're just giving away that link equity. And then if they had to go back and try to reclaim it later, they're out, thousands or tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars. So
yeah, okay. So blogging. Now, affiliate links. Isn't Google smart enough to figure out that these are affiliate links that would come to your site?
There's a lot of reasons that people use 301 redirects internally.
Yeah.
So
that is redirecting from an old page to a new location
within your site. Yeah. So some URLs naturally move that way. So you can configure some affiliate programs, like iDev Affiliate would allow you to redirect your link equity from the inbound affiliate link using a 301 to the end target page.
Okay. The affiliate still gets recorded as coming in, but it immediately redirects, in other words.
Yep. So the affiliate gets credit, and Google often gives credit for the links. A lot of affiliate programs are configured to use 302 redirects, and you don't get credit that way. So you really want to use 301s.
302 redirect is a temporary redirect. This is a permanent redirect. You mentioned contests. How would that work?
So if you hold a contest where people vote on stuff they're passionate, interested about, or if there's a contest where people try to want to be the winner and they get other people to vote on it. Well, when you give people self-interest and you align them with their passions, and marketing your site tends to be a side effect of those goals, it's much easier for links to happen that way than if you're out, hey, buy my stuff, hey, link to me.
So give me an example of one of these.
So, let's say you had like a sports blog or a sports site, and you were like wildest relief pitcher ever, right? And then you got these little YouTube clips of people getting beamed in the head, or the ball 6 foot behind the batter, and then people vote on it.
Okay, so it'll get all the passionate people about sports to come and vote, and probably link because it's of some interest to them. You mentioned offline ways to get links to your site. How does that work?
Well, right now we're doing an interview. You're probably going to post this on YouTube. Some people see that. Some traffic might flow to your site and my site. Also, there's the conference we're at, and there's a speaker profile page there. And I'm going to have a dinner tonight for a bunch of people, and some of them might, say, hey, the dinner was cool, had dinner with Aaron. So it's just interacting a lot of different ways, and links just happen. The links represent relationships, so if you interact with a lot of people, there's going to be a lot of chances.
So if you spend all your time in a basement and not talking to people, or corresponding with people some way or another, you're not likely to get as many links than if you're social.
Correct. And Abraham Lincoln said something like, without public sentiment, nothing could succeed. Without it, you can't fail, or something like that. I just butchered it. Sorry, Abraham. But that was an idea alive, hundreds of years ago.
Exactly.
And now you have all these different, the web is a series of, network nodes, so it's even more so today.
Any other tips for getting links that come to mind?
So along with networking with people and being well known in your space, if you sometimes could write guest articles or columns for other people and publish them on their site, that tends to work pretty well.
How do you get journalists to come to your site? Any tricks on that one?
So, there's one I found that I think works pretty well. It's not guaranteed. You could hit 1 in 1,000 or 1 in 3,000, but You take a non-commercial topic that's interesting to journalists that you know they're going to write about. Every year they're going to write about Christmas shopping. Every year they're going to write about the tax season. So if you can create content related to that sort of stuff, and then figure out some non-commercial queries.
Non-commercial means they're not very expensive.
Exactly. So then what happens out of that is while they're researching these non-expensive topics, if you buy AdWords ads and you show up at the top of the search results, they may cite you as part of their research.
Okay. So lots of interesting ways to get links that you may not have thought of. Tell me about you and your business, what you do.
So I run a company called SEO Book. It's a blog about SEO, and we also have an online training program and an ebook that we sell customers to help them improve their search engine rankings and make more money from search.
All right. Well, Aaron, thanks so much for sharing with us. This is Ralph Wilson with Web Marketing Today.